we made it to Keflavik. I think that's how you pronounce it.
Good morning.
We lost one person en route. Just a word of advice, make sure that your boarding pass and your passport have the exact same name. This seat is literally meant for a 5-year-old thing here. It is 8:15, but it is still pitch dark out here. We're trying to find breakfast, but the issue is that nothing opens until 10. Half the group is knocked out cold. The lights radiate out according to your heartbeat. So right now, that is Laurel's heartbeat. We just walked into the grocery store. Let the chaos begin.
Okay. Do this one.
You like how I try so hard?
I'll walk 1,000 miles if I could just see you. Oh, okay.
Hey! Yeah. You made it!
I'm in.
Oh, bro. I realized after you guys left how bad of an idea it was to send you out without any way to find a direction or communication.
And this place is cold. And look, my man Mike made it! He made it!
We are walking between the tectonic plates.
That is Europe, and then that is North America, or that's North America and that's Europe. We don't really know
We're not
which.
too sure.
Wow. Let's go, bro. Bathwater, brother.
Oh.
So we've been left by the group. They don't care about us. This is the second time I've been left. It's starting to be a trend. Look at it. Too soon, too soon. Oh, and I did report it.
This is like the biggest geyser I've ever seen in my life. Rest assured, I've only seen like 3 geysers in my life.
And they all been in this one day.
And they've all been in one day. But this is the biggest geyser I've ever seen.
Oh.
And it has now officially started to snow. And we are all going.
Can't see nothing.
You have no idea how cold it is right now. There it is.
There it is.
This is the only thing we have to pay money to see today. I would have paid for the geyser. There's this lake, right? And it's frozen, and Tanner's trying to kick into it to see how solid this is.
That was the first try.
Explain what we just did, Tanner.
Well, we boiled some water and we made our own little coffee strainer. And it worked, except it was a little cold.
Whose idea was it to come to Iceland in the winter? Alright? It is freezing cold right now. Didn't a Viking bury his treasure or something behind the falls?
Yes, evidently there is a...
Yeah, so...
It's cold.
There's a rope right here.
Obviously.
It's basically just like the Cascades.
Yes, but the Cascades is not that big. I'm about to slide down. Ah! My butt's all wet.
It's freezing. Then we come to this waterfall, but it's like the water is like slapping you in the face. And they're going, look at these clowns.
Oh my god!
Oh! I can't sleep! Oh! So that wasn't a good idea. We're all soaking wet in Iceland. Tanner's done. He's running to the
It went really south, really quick.
All right, Mom, if I die, you know why. Got hypothermia.
Hey, I didn't make him do it. We got our cardio for the day. Huh? Finally made it to the top. We just walked all of those stairs.
So if you showed everybody that our jackets look like they're just raining on.
Yeah, man, I got a snotcicle on my nose.
Tanner, be careful, bro. Tanner, you are a driver. You're being selfish. Oh my God. The fifth. Oh, this is not. Oh.
And he goes down.
All right.
Yo, you gotta get out there. You'll freeze. You can't even see the waterfall that we originally came to see.
Woo!
You gotta let it get really close to y'all.
That's the trap.
Get real close.
Ain't gonna ball.
That's how you get pulled back in.
Let it get close.
Oh, yo.
You barely made it. There.
Oh. All right, we're going back.
Oh crap! Woo! You went under.
I went underneath the water. Right?
It's gone.
Are you all right?
That was scary, man. You went under. Your head was gone.
Yeah.
Under.
I lost sight of it.
I thought I was in the clear. You know that first wave came in, and I made it, and you're like, oh, you were so close.
You missed it. It was awesome. I got all that on film.
What,
You was,
me?
you was on the rock. The waves went all around us. Didn't hit us.
Yeah.
So cool, man. And then all of a sudden, boom!
The second wave came in, just knocked
He was
me out.
underwater.
I have no idea what the name of this place is.
I have no idea either, but it's beautiful. And
Yes.
There's not many people here, so that could either be good or bad.
Or I think Ezra just took us to some random part of Iceland to kill us.
Just like that.
We made it to the destination of our hike. This nice, beautiful waterfall right here. Tanner decided to climb the ridge of the waterfall. Your butt's wet? Surprising.
Dude, I can't even see the road. Guys, I'm not comfortable with this. Tastes so good.
It's just a geothermal pool and feels incredibly nice right now. It's like 20 degrees Fahrenheit air temperature, but then the water is like 90.
So we are in the middle of the road in Iceland because it's been super cloudy, but we found a small break in the clouds. So we just pulled over to the side of the road and all just got out. It's worth it because we are Northern Lights hunting in Iceland. Yes.
This is a stupid idea.
Nobody wants to go eat hot dogs with us. So this is a situation yesterday.
Coming out with 3 hot dogs?
You know what?
Dude,
I'll buy you a hot dog. I will buy you a hot dog if you sit outside of me.
Man. Let's load them up.
I will buy you a hot dog.
He's old.
Sit out there.
Tired. Look at his
It's
eyes.
terrible to say.
Black Golf Marks all dude from India and Tanner. That's the name of the
Don't
show.
get lost. Look, if I don't come back and they do, y'all gotta come look for me.
So sadly, the bar is still open, but the kitchen is not. Meaning, we can get on hot dogs. Why is
Tanner, it's all Tanner's fault. If Tanner would have waited, we could have ran in and found out that the kitchen was closed, and we would have been right back in the car. Tanner, this is all your fault. Now I bet it starts snowing. We almost died trying to get back. It was a blizzard. We got caught in a blizzard. I'm gonna just say it was a blizzard. Arkansas standards, that was a blizzard.
So we're currently back in Keflavik. We are walking towards the gate. I think we're all tired because we've been doing nothing but hiking up mountains and having winds spat in our faces constantly. And we're about to head home.